Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're logged into the correct Google account and have two-step verification set. Now open Google Takeout and immediately deselect all products so only mail is exported. Choose mail and then pick specific labels or the full mailbox. This minimizes file size and targets what you need. Make sure to set a date range if you don't need everything. That speeds up processing. Once done, proceed to customize export format and delivery in the next step. Now you customize how Google packages your mail. Select the Mbox format for compatibility with Thunderbird or plan to convert to PSD later for Outlook. That decision affects tools you'll need. Set export frequency, one time for a snapshot or scheduled for ongoing backups, and pick the delivery method, direct download or to Drive/Dropbox/OneDrive. Choosing cloud delivery can simplify large exports. Once configured, confirm export and wait for Google to prepare the archive. Monitoring progress is next. When Google finishes, you'll get a link or the file in your chosen cloud storage. Download it immediately and verify the archive size and that emails are present by opening a sample. Mbox in a viewer. If you need Outlook, convert the Mbox to PSD with a trusted tool and then import. If the export fails or stalls, check your Google Drive or account storage quota, reduce selected labels, and retry. If issues persist, temporarily disable third-party blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.